Hello friends and welcome in the another episode of DIY Master, and in this video we are going to learn how to repair boot light switch. As you can see, we have this boot light in my car, and this is the switch of the boot. But the thing is, as I have opened this boot, but light is not glowing. So the reason is the functioning of this switch. As you can see, now the boot light is glowing. So the main reason behind the misfunction of this light is that switch. So we just need to open that switch with the help of uh, this sort of Allen key tools, and see and need to check the temper of its spring. You can see that there is a little rust, or just removed it. Now we need to analyze why it is not functioning properly. So what we need to do is just to get little more stiffer spring in it. And how we will remove this? You can see there is a lock, small lock. We need to open that whole switch and just stretch the spring, and we can able to see the working of switch will be fine. So let's move inside the hardware table and do it. So guys, we have removed this lever by detaching this pin. Actually there is a internal lock, and we have just pushed back this lock and remove this moving lever. So now what we need to do, we need to clear the rust as well as the extra lubricant from this connector plate, and then we will little stretch this spring so that it can deliver adequate pressure for switching. So let's do it now guys. You can see the after putting that spring with a little stretching in its temper, the switch is working very hard. So this is what we are looking for. Now let's put back this switch into the boot and check whether the light is turning regularly on. So guys, we have fitted this switch at its right position, and we are just making tight this Allen key screw. Okay, so now uh, we can see, as we put little pressure on the switch, our parking light is turned off. And let's check after instant shutdown of boot. We can see that there is a dome light slowly turn off, and as we reopen the boot, it will glow again. You can see the light is glowing, and so this is how you can fix the boot light switch of any car. I hope you have enjoyed that video. Thanks for watching.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.